Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your PC has an active Wi-Fi adapter and the Windows 10 Settings app open. Once done, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. Make sure to share my internet connection from field points to the active adapter. This tells Windows which connection to broadcast. Next, set a clear network name and a strong password so others can join securely. This initial step creates the hotspot framework you'll use in the next stage. Now toggle the mobile hotspot on and choose Wi-Fi as the sharing medium for typical tethering. Then click Edit to set a memorable SSID and a WPA2 password. This secures your hotspot and prevents unauthorized use. Make sure the Allow Other Network Users to Connect option is enabled so client devices can obtain an IP address. If you want to conserve power, set the hotspot to turn off when no devices are connected. These settings control. With the hotspot live, connect a phone or tablet using the SSID and password you configured. If a device can't connect, first confirm the adapter driver is up to date and that airplane mode is off. These are common blockers. Make sure the shared source connection actually has internet. If problems persist, toggle the hotspot off and on, or restart your PC to refresh the network stack. This often resolves DHCP or binding errors and gets clients online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.